Yeah.
Thinking about that one.
I'm doing no more ironing.
Thinking about that one, John. Didn't think about it, did you?
Down a bit at this side.
That's the end of that one. What did you think of that organist the other day?
I thought it was alright, enjoy it.
You like that one?
I like.
Do you need any help carrying stuff, you know? Watch yourself.
It'd be nice if we got one.
Louis, leave
Be
that.
careful,
You're not
mate.
putting that
Careful.
on. It turned out to be big when I took it.
Careful, careful, mate, careful.
It'll go.
You'll end up on in a
There
minute.
might be some nails in there as well, be careful.
Louis, come away now.
Come.
Making a lot of noise.
Oh, I like that one. Yeah, I like that one.
Can I go over there with what?
No, wait here. Oh, you're not going over there with. Yeah. Go around there with Jimmy.
Play.
Quite hard, that must be
It's surprising now what it got when it got going.
Yeah.
I can see some green colour in it, can you, Bill?
Yeah.
That fire.
Yeah, just coming through.
Like a green